Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is how to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your Excel and you want to find which all records are having same record. Okay, same record in the sense like this whole record has been repeated. So if you want to delete records which are having only these two part as duplicate, you can delete those also. If you want to delete records having this whole section as duplicate, you can remove that too also. So in our case, order ID is mostly unique. So if I check this Control F and find, we can see that there is more record having 10249 as the order ID. Okay, so what we will do now is remove all the records which are having duplicate values. Okay, so for demonstration purpose, I will just copy this and then insert it over here itself. Okay, shift cells down. Okay, you can see that there are duplicate records over here. Okay, so now what we can do is, in order to remove the duplicates, we need to first go to data and then click on remove duplicates. But before that, make sure you have everything within the same rows. I mean, there are no blank rows in between. Then on clicking on remove duplicates within the data tab, you will see that there are many options. It will display all the columns. Okay, now your data is having header, so header will be checked. Okay, you can select all or unselect all. Okay, now which all things you want to check. You want to check country, sales person, order date, order ID and order amount. Everything which are duplicates, you want to remove that. Before that, I will just cancel this and I will show you how many records are there. So in all, we are having count as 835. Okay, so after removing, you will see how many records we are having. Okay, so I will press OK. Now we saw 35 duplicate values found, 799 unique values removed. So our total records were 834. Okay, so that means 35 duplicate values were there. Okay, so now we are not having any duplicate values. Okay, so if I click on this remove duplicates again, you will see there is no duplicates found. Now one more thing, let's say I will copy these two records and I will just paste this over here. Okay, now we are having two duplicate records over here. So just in case you want to highlight which all duplicate values are there, you need to select the cell which you want to select and then go to conditional formatting, highlight cells and duplicate values, and you can check duplicate or unique value and the value with which you want to format it. Click OK and it will highlight those two values. So in our case, only these two values are duplicate. Okay, so just in case you want to highlight these values also, then too you can cross check. But we have checked it with the with only order ID. But however, if you check it with multiple rows, then it will highlight this also. So it will check where all 15/7/2013 is also there. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Comments in the comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Jinendra.